I'm back on my wall. Mirror on the wall. Okay. Kailangan ko po muna mag-like dito mula kay ABMB. Yan, like po tayo. Good day po, Sir Manny Calpito, sa lahat at guest anchor necessary. Woohoo! Galing. Alright, hindi po ako ang anchor woman. Ako po yung anchor-crap na woman. Okay. Hello po. Miss Sernas, good afternoon po. Pati kay Kuya Manny Calpito. Ayan po yan. Ako si Jeremiah. Kumusta po, kaibigang Jeremiah? Okay. At ako po yung magbabalik sa ating utusa. Sandali lang. Nakalimutan ko na ang hula hook. So, atin pong itatype ang hula hook at ating babasahin kung meron man silang mga pakulo. Okay. Nawawala. Ayaw akong papuntahin sa hula hook. Alright. I am now with the hula hook. Come on. Siyempre, kailangan ko po muna magpasalamat kay Kuya Manny at kay Kuya Marvin. At ako po yung kauna-unahang naging hula hook Hall of Fame awardee. Oo. Yan po. Masyado yata akong nambobola na ngayon. Ako po yung valedictorian ng mga mambobola. So, Facebook. Chito Villarosa. Okay. Dali lang. At ating babasahin po Okay. Meron pong ipinost dito si Edong Pangarap. Babasahin po natin. Alam nyo ba na ang salitang appear tayo. Hey Mark, do you know how what appear means? Okay, this is appear. Sabay tampal sa palad ng kaibigan ay nakuha ng mga Pinoy sa panonood ng NBA games. Ang mga NBA players kapag nakakashoot o nakakagawa ng maganda nagtatampalan ng palad. Sabay sabing up here. Pinulot ito ng mga Pinoy sa dinig na appear. Okay. So maraming salamat po sa inyong impormasyon.
So what is it like? Appear, like the word,
yeah,
and
appear,
at the same time you do it?
Yeah,
oh.
you do it like this. Appear.
I had no idea. When did that start?
And disappear like that. Disappear. You disappear.
Okay. I think you just made that up.
Binasa at dinalaw ang iyong FYI. Okay? Sa oras na 5:14 p.m. LA time. Okay, alright. Marami po nagposti dito. Magla-like tayo. Kay Chito Villarosa, Facebook. Okay. Libangan sa internet. Marami ang mamimit. Barkada dito'y sweet. Kamay mo'y mga ngawit. Kapag adik sa Facebook, maghapon mo tay tutok. Kahit maraming lamok, baliwala ang tusok. Ouch! Hinay lang pagkagiliw, kontrol dapat ang aliw. Baka utak, magmaliw, tuluyan ng mabaliw. Okay, ayos! Ang sabi po nga dito ni kaibigang Jose Rizal M. Reyes, ayos na ayos. Okay, binasa ko po ang inyong joke. Ko po ang inyong joke sa oras na 5:15 p.m. LA time. Okay. Okay, maraming mga joke dito. Magtawanan po mo tayo. So, atin pong babasahin. Wow. May nag-like na agad. Alright, let me check. Ang bagong masiglang binibini. Maraming salamat. Ikaw yata ang aking number 1 fan ngayon na sumusunod-sunod. Okay, matalino nga. Ang sabi ng pantas. Ang sabi ni kamatayan. You know what kamatayan is?
Something about dying or something?
Yeah, death. Hawakan mo ako. Ernesto. Where is Ernesto? Ayoko, alam ko nang panghinahawakan kita. Mamamatay ako. Okay, ang sabi naman ng kamatayan, wow, ang talino mo, appear nga. Ernesto, sus, ako pa, appear, patay. Wah, tanga. Okay, ang Kimbot. Ako po yung nag-like, baliktad pala si kamatayan. Ang appear niya ang ibig sabihin, disappear. Ayan po ay mula kay Edong Pangarap. Salamat po sa inyong joke.
Well, I'm so glad you're here to explain all this to me.
Never mind. Okay. Sa inyong joke, sa oras na 5:17 LA. Oh, wait. 5:17 p.m. LA time. Okie doke. Okay. And I'm gonna enter it. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Front and back view. Okie doke. Okay. Looks like it's bumping. Alright. So, do you have any joke in there, Mark?
No.
No? Okay. Shane Ansay Villaverde has a joke here. Interview with the scribes. So, isa, bakit mo pinili ang photojournalism? Ang applicant, kasi madali lang kumuha ng larawan. Ang sagot ni Isa, ganun ba? Ano ba ang qualification para maging photojournalist? Ang sagot ng applicant, dapat madami ka common sense. So, ang sagot naman ni Jane, bakit? Ilan ba dapat common sense meron ka? Applicant, mga 5. Okay, what's your interpretation about this? You should have common sense.
I guess.
Paano na yan? Pag wala akong common sense. Okay, binasa natin. Wala akong common sense eh.
I have no idea what that means.
Salamat sa iyong joke, kaibigang Shane.
She's cute though.
Yeah. She's a good friend of mine.
Oh, cool.
A good photojournalist. Yeah, a journalism teacher at Quezon.
Oh, teacher.
Yeah, high school teacher. All right. And of course, I want to say hi to my paring Byron. He's also in the same town, at Quezon. Yeah, I think you've been there, right? Yeah, Quezon.
Maybe.
Or you just remembering the Manila girl. Okay, all right. Sa oras na tumataginting, aglit lang, oras na 5:19 p.m. LA time. Alright. I love hula hook. All jokes in here.
That's why you're the valedictorian.
Baka wala na ang maniniwala sa akin sa kadyo-joke ko dito. Okay, ito pa isang joke mula kay Evelyn de Latina Mission. Si tatay. Oh, wait. Buong araw si tatay naghanap buhay. Si nanay naman nakabulagtad sa sugalan. Habang si nene nakipaglaro ng bahay-bahayan. Marusing at di ata nakakain ng pananghalian. Nang dumating si tatay, kala mo'y may kalaban. Nag-alat Tarzan o parang toro na umuusok ang ulo. Nang makita si nanay, pinggan at kaldero nagsiliparan. Pinalayas si nanay. Dala pati ang damit niyang sinampay. Ayos. Salamat po. Salamat sa iyong joke. Kaibigan, mabuhay ka. 5:21 p.m. LA. Okay. LA time. So, anong merienda natin, Mark?
Oh, what? I'm sorry. Lex Ray
yeah, what's
texted me
our
or something.
snack?
What? One more time, sorry.
No, I am asking you what's your snack. Go.
My what?
What's your snack?
Oh, snack. Oh, I don't.
Alright, my Coca-Cola. I have my Coca-Cola here.
Okay.
Yeah, courtesy of Kuya Manny.
I have some nuts.
Okay, throw it to me.
They won't reach.
Okay. Now, I need to visit. Wait. How come I'm not going back? I'm not returning back to my page. Wait. Wait. Now, here I go. Here I am. Wait. Okay. I need to read this. Okay. Ooh. Kuya Man is also liking my comments.
Nice.
Kuya Manny, pasok ka na dito. It's like I'm saying SOS. Help.
Oh, here you go. Lex Ray just commented on my
Thanks,
Facebook.
akala ko buksan ng iyong mga mata para makakailaw. Aking mga mata. Okay, mag-like po tayo dito. Hello, Makatang Ligaw. Thanks ulit. Mahirap pala pag may hangover, talagang di mabuksan ang mga mata. Alan ako, sis. Makatang Ligaw ako. Mayroon. Uminom ka ba, sis? Yes, ng kapeng kaninang madaling araw. Okay. Magdalay. Hi also to paring Mark. Oh! Hey! Lex Ray posted here. Hi also to paring Mark. Marcelina Reyes, Jam Code in third. Missing Manila beer, eh?
Yeah, I know.
Are you missing it?
I just got that comment.
I just brought a Manila beer here. That's why I am making lasing. Okay. Alright. No, I'm just kidding.
Hello, Lex Ray.
Lex Ray. Okay. Here we go. Hello po, Ma'am Serenas. Miss you po. I miss you too. Here we go. Sir War Gulam. Hello, Sir War. I think he's a poet too from Bangladesh. Sir War Gulam. If I'm not mistaken, he's
Cool.
from Bangladesh. Sir War Gulam. I was waiting to watch Serena's live show and I have watched it this morning first time. I feel so happy and I would like to thank to Serenas as well as Sir Manny Calpito. Thank you, Serenas, for sweet and smooth proposing. Ooh. Thank you.
Wow.
Yep. Thank you, my friend. Sir War.
See, you're a superstar already.
Ooh, I'm a superstar.
That was easy.
I told you.
Took you like 5
I am the
seconds.
Miss Universe. Okay. 5:54. 5:54. Or 5:24. I'm shortening my time. 5:24 p.m. LA time.
You wish it was 5:54.
So I can go. Alright. Regards din kay kaibigang Penpen Bitsa Kipsilim. Congrats to the father of visual poetry. Yay. Let's like it. Again, congrats and thanks to Doc Pen. Sabi po naman ni Boris Yach. Alright. Ang dami niyong mga poems dito. Nawawalan na ako ng boses, mga pare, mga mare. Okay, before I forget, someone sent me a poem in this very historical quality hotel.
Wow. That's cool.
Quality hotel paper. It's actually from Rene San-Simon, and I'd like to read this because this is dedicated actually for Doc Pen. And okay, the poem goes this way, and it's entitled "The Doctor is My Friend." As we sit here in the lobby, talking of our one true hobby, that of reading, writing, poetry, and striving for artistic wizardry. Behind your shades are gentle eyes. No matter what, you can't disguise the words you say, the poems you write. For every soul they serve to inspire. I'm really glad you came around from miles away and out of town. I'm truly proud to shake your hands, to call your doctor my good friend. Alright, thank you. Rene San-Simon from Vancouver, Canada.
Nice.
He's a good friend, yeah. He's a good poet.
And he's high tech.
Right. Okay. Where do we go from here? Okay. It's like I'm liking my own. I'm liking my own comment, eh? Alright, eh?
Canadian.
Okay, I'm Canadian, eh? Alright, here we go. I'd like to... Oh, for this. For us, yes, Lex Ray liked my comment. Bagong masiglang binibini. For us, yes, Anita Salvador, Makatang Ligaw, and everyone. Okie doke. How many minutes left?
I don't know how long you want to go, until 5:30 or what?
Oh, sure. 5:30? It's already 5:27.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead, 3 more minutes.
I have 3 more. Beautiful. Thank you both.
Mm-hmm.
You look great. Thank you. Ha! Sip-sip to Lex Ray. Alright. Ako si Jeremiah. Okay. Nanluloko lang po ako sa inyo. Pasensyahan niyo na po at ako pinanluloko lamang. Nambobola. Ako po yung nambobulabog sa inyo ngayon. Dahil si Kuya Manny ay nandoon. Nakipag-inuman ng tsaa. Kaya naman ng tsaa at kape. Kaya po ako'y nagmamadali para naman makisali sa kanilang mga sinasabi. Okay, Marcel Vargas Payos, hello po. Nanette Espinosa, thanks Tita for inviting me here. Oh, I've met Tita Nanette too. Hello, Tita Nanette. Okay. So, whom do you want to visit, Mark?
I don't know, do you have any cute friends on there?
Okay. I'd like to visit Ariadne Sawyer's account. Ariadne Sawyer.
Cool.
She's actually the host and founder of World Poetry Canada and International.
Ooh, Canadian.
Yeah.
I can drive to her.
Okay. Sawyer. A great writer, a great poet. Yeah. A peace advocate.
That's all good. Is she cute?
Here she is. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
She had posted at www.worldpoetry.ca. World Poetry proudly presents Walter Kiombe Mazimbi from Kenya, Africa on site at www.worldpoetry.ca. Alright, let's check that one. Okay. And I'd like also to visit, oh wait, I'd like to post my comment here. Visited your wall at 5:29 p.m. LA time. Live on air at utusa.tv. Ooh. Okay. Share. Alright. And let me check Ashok Bhargava's wall. Ashok Bhargava is also a multi-talented writer and poet, and of course World Poetry Ambassador to Nepal, Japan, and India. Okay, here he is. So look at that. The smiley man. And I'd like to read this haiku. I think this is a haiku. I don't know. Morning wind kiss leaves. Tree sways like a shy ballerina. Whoa. Visited your wall at 5:30. Ooh, it's almost time. 5:30 p.m. LA time.
You know, you still have to make a closing commentary.
Okay. Should I call Kuya Manny?
No, you go ahead and do it.
Okay.
Okay, here you go.
So, should I say bye-bye now? Bye-bye, love.
Whatever you want to say.
Okay. Right, I'll go back to my wall. And alright. So, pansamantala na po muna ako magpapaalam sa inyo mga kaibigan. At ako po ay bumabati po sa lahat ng aking mga kaibigan mula sa iba't ibang lupalop ng mundo. At ang masasabi ko lang po sa inyong lahat, mahal ko kayong lahat. at tayo po ay muling magtulaan, maghulahok at magkasangga sa ating mga tulaan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat din po Kuya Manny sa pagkakataong ibinigay ninyo dito sa akin sa Utusa.tv.
Operation Tulong USA.